All right, so I'm setting up the on the another server on another computer on another screen right now, so I can't remote into it right now. So let's just gonna start doing that once we set up everything actually. I had it muted for a second. I was going through, but hey, welcome. Okay, so we got through most the setup. I just need to access the what's it called, the web page, which is why I'm having problems with. I'm having issues with my firewall on my computer. That I can already expose. Hold on, it's very much in the I do not like display capture. Oh yeah, there is a way to turn off the music. Hold on, give me a second. This display capture it's not doing me favors right now. Okay, there we go. Yeah, the display capture is not doing me any favors right now. It's not working in my favors at all. But yeah, I had on the music because I was just gonna spend the whole time, down there on on my other computer, so I couldn't, have it on here. But yeah, gonna lower down the music. But hey, welcome, welcome. Let me know. Do you know anything about this? We can help out each other, really. But in the meantime, I'll try to. Can it just work? Like, just work? Oh, are you doing the same thing as me? Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, I will try to set up this because I was having problem with my with OBS. It's kind of like have Kali in VM. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to do. So instead of having like the VM on my main computer, I want to have it on a separate server, which will be the Proxmox server. So I create a VM, and then I create the Kali VM on there, and then I can remote into it on this computer. So I don't have to, put too much pressure on this computer. I don't know why it's not, working better for me, but yeah, let's go and work with the firewall real quick. Yeah, I have it. Oh, sorry, I have Kali in VM already. It's just that it gives me a hard time when I'm using it. It's like the connection goes out on my OBS, but it looks like it could have been another problem and not my Kali. But yeah, that's the Kali. Let's see. You know what though? Let me see if it's gonna work. Anyways, if I can use the Kali VM without it powering down or like taking down my connection, then that's just gonna be good. That's basically what I want. You know. Oh shit. I do not remember the password I set up for this one. Oh shoot. That's just nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That is nice. I set up a new one and it looks a lot different than the previous one. Yeah, it looks too different actually. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look how I did. Please work. Okay. Okay, we're in. We are in. Hold on. How do I switch this tab? Control tab. This is the new Kali. I set up the other day after having issues with the previous one, but I kind of like this one. It looks good. It looks good. I don't mind it. It looks good, but okay. Let me actually go get the book now so we can actually start reading it again. Haven't read it in a while. But I got a question though. Do you know when you started following me with the book? I'm gonna go with the terminal emulator. I should determine what you're saying. Well, it's different on this one. Okay, this one looks good. I finished chapter 3, but not yesterday, but it's like most of the stuff that was on chapter 3 is like I already got them. I understood them. They're easy to understand. It was like a really short chapter. So now I am on chapter 4. Yeah, like even for chapter 4, it's like adding in, removing lists. I mean, not lists, softwares, which is I do that daily. So I don't know if I should also read that too. But one thing that I've understood in this book is like there are some things that you would think you already know, and then once you just start reading, and then it kind of comes obvious. It's like, there are some little, like a little detail, like some little details that you're like, hey, this will actually make me better in a way that I use Linux. Like for me, for myself, like speaking just for myself, I've gotten a lot better using Linux than for the last like whole year that I've been using Linux. Like I was using Linux like how I use my PC basically, because I had on Ubuntu, so I used Ubuntu like I use my PCs just like that. So there was no difference, between me using my Linux and using my computer. So now it's like I'm using a little bit different, and I'm forcing myself to use it in the terminal mode, which is pretty interesting. I'm liking it, to say the least. I'm liking it. Let's see if I can find the Windows capture. Well, this capture. All right. Okay. There we go. See, that's the chapter that I'm on right now. Okay, but could probably be done with chapter 4 today. Adding, yeah, adding responses, repositories, GPU like based installer. Let's root. Okay, installing software with Git. Okay, I think this one over here, this chapter, see, this is basically what I said. Like, there's always something that you could learn from this, even things that you already think that you know. So on the chapter, let me move this somewhere else, like over here. So like on the chapter 4, if you scroll like down, there's the updating, upgrading Windows GPU installing with Git. Now this one here is new. Like that's new for me right there. That's new for me. Have you done like installing with Git, using Git? I mean GitHub. It's probably just Git and not GitHub. I have not installed. Yeah. Well, we can dive deep into it today. So I'll just leave I will leave it the page over there. I will be reading on the book since I don't want to run my eyes on the. Okay, so sometimes the software you want isn't available in any of the repositories, especially if it's brand new, but it may be available on GitHub, github.com, a site that allows developers to share their software with others to download, use, and provide feedback. For instance, if you want to blue diving a Bluetooth hacking and pen testing suite and can't find it in Kali repository, you can search GitHub for the software by entering blue diving into the search bar. If it exists on GitHub, you should see the repository for in the search results. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I got this book from library, so I don't know which version it is. It's from like 2019. It's a 2019 version, but and it's probably one of the reasons why I kept on getting into some issues here and there. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should probably think about getting the e-ink one too. Now, I don't know if Firefox is going to work on here. I really do not know. Okay, it opens. Never mind, it opens. There we go. I was worrying that it was not going to work. For some reasons, the last Kali did not allow me to open Firefox. It looks like it wasn't installed, but you could see the app. But so okay, so when we open, it takes us to like a default homepage. Get Kali documentation. That's good. Kali tools. Oh, and it's also working just fine. Like, do you see that speed? I like that. But let's go on GitHub. Oh, we already have these. Oh, I like that. I like that. So if you install it, like, I forgot which version this was again that I installed, for which Kali it was, like for the versions that they have over there. If you specifically install this one, it seems like it comes with a lot of the apps. Like even if you look like over here, they have all of them, like for collection, for discovery, for execution, initial access. They also have them like that, what's it called, labeled and organized. I like that about it. But what we need is GitHub. I'm surprised they did not have GitHub on here already. So you come to GitHub, you will probably need an account for GitHub. I had an account way back when I was learning programming, but I have not done no such thing as programming in a long time. So it's a little bit slow. Understandable. This time I tried to give it not too much core, but a lot of storage. All right, so we're looking for an example. What are we looking for? Blue diving. Okay, so we can look for blue diving. Okay, Bell, that blue diving, the Bluetooth penetration testing tool. Okay, archiving. Okay, so it seems like it's multiple of them. So let's go with the first one. Needs blue diving, next generation Bluetooth tool. Okay. All right. We like that. Let's bring back that, and let's read a little bit. Okay. Well, that blue diving. Okay, cloning into blue diving. Okay, once you find the software on GitHub, you can install it from the terminal by entering the git clone command followed by the GitHub URL. For instance, blue diving is located at Bell. Okay, so he's using the same one as this one. That was created like 13 years ago. Okay, no problem. No problem at all. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. No problem at all. We don't got no issues. But okay. All right, so let's install the blue diving tool. So we can install it by using git. Okay, Control C to get out of that. Okay, that's nice. Hold up. It's not showing up well. Okay. Let's see. What should we do here? Blue diving git clone. What was that? What did it? Oh, I guess I exit out. Oh, it's up here. Okay, git clone. And a good thing with about oh, where is it? Yeah. Good thing about Linux, you can always have it on top. Just like that. I love it. No, I don't know if I need to have the HTTP. If I have to add HTTP. Yeah, looks like I do. All right. HTTPS. I'm just gonna write it down. I'm just gonna write it so github.com/val/blue diving. Okay. Blue diving, cloning into blue diving, enumerate objects 170 remote total, 170 delta, receiving objects 100%. Okay, so we just cloned it. Okay, now what's the next thing that we gotta do? Okay, so the git clone command copies all the data and files from the location onto your system. You can check to see that they've been successfully downloaded by using the long listing command. Long listing command on the target directory, like okay, on the target directory. So we cloned it. Okay, blue diving. Okay, right there. Okay. So where is it gonna be located though? Let me see. Where is blue diving? It doesn't show. Okay, what's the other commands that we got? Find which words. Locate blue diving. Okay. Locate blue diving. Why is it not? So I see the change directories to it. Now we're able to see it. Let's see. Oh, that looks nice. But anyways, oh, that was all. Okay, controlling file and directory permissions. All right, right, read. Okay, I remember that. Cd dot dot. Okay. All right, so we just finished with that. And that's how the chapter ended. All right, so controlling files and directory permissions. Not every user of a single operating system should have the same level of access to files and directories. Like any professional or enterprise level operating system, Linux has methods for securing file and directory access. This security system allows the system administrator, the root user, or the file owner to protect their files from unwanted access or tampering by granting select users permissions to read, write, or execute files. For each file and directory, we can specify the permission status for the file's owner for particular groups of users and for all other users. This is necessary in a multi-user enterprise level operating system. Okay, so I have a meeting I need to attend. Sorry, I have a meeting that I have to attend real soon. Um, I will continue with the live stream a little bit later. Just gonna ask you, just so I found somebody who's also doing the same thing as me right now. So I would like to, go through the steps with you. I don't know what your time zone is, but for me it's EST. So around 5 EST, I'll go live again just so I can continue with the chapter 5 and probably finish it today because it's my goal to finish 2 chapters today. So if it will be nice if you will be there, but if you cannot make it, that's also all right. But I got a meeting that I have to head to. But thank you for enjoying me. PST. Okay. Let's see that real quick. Let's see. EST to PST. I don't know my time zones that well. Well, let's see. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Okay, that's okay. It'll be good. It'll be good. But yeah, I'll see you then. Again, thank you for joining me in 3 hours. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for joining me, and hope I see you there also. Hope you subscribed.